हेलो दोस्तों। दोस्तों एक कहावत है ना, बोलते वाटर वाटर एवरीवेयर बट वेरी लेस क्लीन वाटर टू ड्रिंक। ये है दोस्तों सॉल्ट वाटर है। आज मैं तुम्हें लेके जा रहा हूँ पेटौनी स्प्रिंग वाटर। तो वहाँ से मैं लेके भी आऊँगा। आई गॉट ए 15 लीटर्स बॉटल एंड आई एम गोइंग देयर. So I will take you there and will tell you the story of that spring water. ये underground water है और दोस्तों बेसिकली आपको पता ही है, मैं तो इंडियन हूँ और हिमाचल से हूँ। तो वी हैव गॉट वेरी सो मैनी स्प्रिंग वाटर्स इन द माउंटेन्स एंड बिकॉज वो माउंटेन से आते और ये अंडरग्राउंड वाटर आ रहा हो, बट अमेजिंग वाटर एंड we'll tell you a little bit story about it because this harbor is Petauny Harbor, Petauny and Wellington Harbor. और ये जो पानी आ रहा है इसको कहते हैं, इस पानी को नहीं, जो क्लीन वाटर है, जो ये सॉल्ट वाटर है, वो बिल्कुल आपको मीठा पानी मिलेगा. नाइस क्लीन कोल्ड वाटर, अंडरग्राउंड वाटर, मिनरल वाटर, यू कैन से मिनरल वाटर, नेचुरल वाटर. और इसके नीचे, इस हार्बर के नीचे और इस पूरा वैली है इधर, हट वैली. दैट इज द गॉट ए बाइफेटू एक्वाफायर. इट्स कॉल्ड एक्वाफायर. और एक्वाफायर इट इज स्प्रेडेड इन अबाउट these 10-15 kilometers. So I will take you there and it's amazing thing, the like I will tell you the story. So दोस्तों, in this region when we talk about spring waters or all other natural resources, so we firstly we talk about this Hutt River. Hutt River, you can see the beauty of the Hutt River, how beautiful it is, how clean. Look at the sides, beautiful. And you can check, dosto, check out the walking tracks along and how the government has the put the some these barriers, you can say barricades or barriers alongside the river, just to like the stop its overflow to the other residences alongside. You can see the residences alongside. So this is very very safe river. And this river plays a most important role in providing all sort of these vegetation, fishes, clean water for swimming and drinking water. On this river, we have this rivers supplies the border for to the 3 districts, that is Wellington districts, Porirua as well as Hutt district. And I was talking about the spring water. So in this valley, this is a huge valley, this is called Hutt Valley. And this river, all the ways flow down from Tararua ranges. Tararua ranges are this side, and this river is about the 50-60 kilometer in length, and it's flowed down that way and drops in there this side, about 1 kilometer from here. And on this valley, there's I have already spoken to you regarding that is Baifetu Aquifer. So Baifetu Aquifer, that spread all the way from Hutt Valley, this low Hutt. Baifetu is a suburb in the Hutt Valley. So from Hutt Valley to all the way across the Wellington, and it goes underwater as well. Can you know the Baifetu, this Baifetu Aquifer, that all the ways go underwater from here to Wellington Harbour. It spreaded about 20 kilometers, and all the way to Miramar. It extended to Miramar. And in various places you will find the spring water, but this one Petone is the famous spring water because that is very close to us, and few spring waters are in Wellington, near the Mobison or somewhere else, and that also at the time of need it supplies the water, because sometime in the summer when there is a shortage of water they use that water, but that water is being you can see I'm very amazed to see this river, like what river, how clean it is. The responsibility for keeping up this river is taken taken by the Greater Wellington. So you mean Greater Wellington, the upkeep all these things, and provide us a nice clean and nice water. And I would like to share one thing with you guys, like the everywhere you might have seen in the world, like all the the good countries, like the flourished cities are alongside the river's bank. So we got here, I'm from Himachal, and we got also nice rivers over there, very clean water, but still we need to take care of these rivers. We have to respect these resources. This is our responsibility, all the people's responsibilities, everyone's responsibility, because these rivers the supplies something to everyone. It's not like we are living nearby the river, but we are using electricity from the hydel project, or we are having some the seafood, seaweeds, fishes, or whatever the transportation, everything we are depends upon the river. So we have to respect the rivers. We say in India river is a mother, but we still the make our rivers dirty. So our responsibility, but I'm not saying all the rivers are not clean. In Himachal the rivers are very nice, neat and clean, naturally neat and clean, but we still try to make a mess over there as well. But in the plains as well, we should take the 100% responsibility, or we, it is our obligation to make these nice, neat and clean. So I will take you now to the spring water where exactly it is, and underneath where I am standing, here is a huge aquifer, that is draining the water underneath about it is about 400 meter down here, and the different places, it's giving us the water, so that's great. Let's go to the Petone aquifer. तो दोस्तों हम जिस रिवर की बात कर रहे थे, हट रिवर की, दैट रिवर्स फ्लो डाउन all the way from Tararua and meets the ocean at this point, just about the 50 meters towards my finger. And you can see a lot of activities in the ocean. It's a very nice day today, and very so astounding views here. बड़ी अमेजिंग थिंग है कि इसके नीचे जो अंडरग्राउंड वाटर जा रहा है, दैट वाटर इज सॉल्टी, एंड अंडरग्राउंड वाटर अबाउट 400 meter deep, or maybe more than that. That's going all the way towards the Wellington suburb, east suburb, Miramar, and this area. Water is going all the way, the clean water, but this is all because of that is natural, but our city council, Greater Wellington, that is taking care of it. That is because it maintains the the aquifer they have to maintain the pressure balance, because the clean water is connected with the salt water. So when the rivers waters are the going below to the level, so it may start mixing the water. But to maintain this pressure, the council do whatever, they do everything to maintain this balance, and they do everything. I'm going to the clean border. Clean border. So we have arrived at the exact location, Patani Eco Fire border. That's we got a parking, nice parking. So it is at the corner of Buick and Jackson Street, and this is close to Beltec College. And let's now fill the bottle water. That's the water, and we say this water deserves puja, jai ho, and salute. Because why we do puja for the water, that's the reason. But that clean water and deserve most respect. And thanks for the Wellington City Council for providing this water. And I will tell to everyone, those who residing nearby, to come over to this place. This is free of cost. You will get a free of cost this water, and that's 15 liters, and we got 3 taps here, and we'll fill this water in just 1 minute. So you can come anytime. You will have a plenty of place around. Parking place, and yeah, that's pretty nice. So clean water. That's a facility. And for this clean water, I came all the way from Cleveland for 10 kilometers, and this is for my 1 week supply. If it will finish, I will come back again. So whenever I will get a chance to come over to this place, I keep this big bottle with me, and fill this water. And there's, in this area, there are a lot of dining places, like, that you can come over. If you are hungry, you can go to any restaurant. And if you want to like coffee, there's so many, the coffee shops here. And what else? There's some groceries, the supermarket. So everything is here. So thank you guys. Do not forget to subscribe my video, and please put the comments as well, and give me a good big thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.